Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the new patterns on the Dress to Impress updates. So I'm just going to select this sweater, and if I go to patterns, as you can see, I can see all of these patterns, and that's because I clicked on it. I think there's just a lot of patterns. There's like no way for Dress to Impress to include it in one page. So what they did is they put it here, so you're just going to select it. There are a lot of patterns. I'm just going to show some here. There's these ones, this one. They're all so super cute patterns. I love this pattern. This pattern is so good. It's so pretty. Like, I cannot express how I love this pattern. Like, I would love this as like a tile or something. Super cute. There's also these other patterns that are still super cute too. Like, oh my gosh, these are to die for. These are so good. So thank you, Dress to Impress devs. Thank you, whoever created these patterns. I am in love. So yeah, that is where you can find the rest of the patterns on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!